Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kung nais umasenso, manap ng trabaho, o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya huwag magtipid sa iyong mga pangarap. Sige-sige sa pagsisikap. Asenso'y sigurado sa hinaharap. Manalig lang palagi sa sarili. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kung nais umasenso, manap ng trabaho, o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya huwag magtipid sa iyong mga pangarap. Sige-sige sa pagsisikap. Asenso'y sigurado sa hinaharap. Manalig lang palagi sa sarili. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Buhayan, kaya natin. Kaya natin yan. nais umasenso, manap ng trabaho, o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kayaw magtipid sa iyong mga pangarap, sige-sige sa pagsisikap. Asenso'y sigurado sa hinaharap, manalig lang palagi sa sarili. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kung nais umasenso, manap ng trabaho, o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad.
Good afternoon. May we request everyone to please settle down before we begin our opening program. Thank you very much. Start our event, may we request our VIPs and the guests to proceed at the ribbon cutting area. We will first be having the ribbon cutting ceremony at the entrance of our Feria de Camarines, featuring PUSTORIOSA, products crafted with culture and style.
Once again, may we invite everyone to please be here in front for our ribbon cutting ceremony. Every one of our guests po, to please be here outside of our fair first for our ribbon cutting ceremony.
Alright, so today marks an important event not only for the partnerships built, but for the success of our MSMEs as we open the Feria de Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA. So we will be cutting the ribbon in 3, 2, and 1. Welcome to Feria de Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA.
May we request everyone to please go back to your respective seats and please remain standing for our opening prayer, to be followed by the singing of our Philippine national anthem.
May we invite everyone to please all rise for the opening prayer. Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. God our Father, we acknowledge that you are the source of our bounty. Thank you for the gift of life, gift of family, gift of talents that we express productively through our business and profession. We affirm, Lord, that this Feria de Camarines is your creation to uplift the wisdom and skill to manage our business. We recognize, Lord, the organizers and partners who share their priceless time and knowledge, and we pray that you reward them 100-folds of blessing. Finally, please foster within ourselves a continued passion for learning as we journey onwards. Thank you for every aspect of the time with each other, the knowledge gained, the friendships made, and the dreams and visions that we carry in our hearts. Today, as we celebrate the opening of this program, we rejoice and offer ourselves to you to be useful to you, to our loved ones, and to our beloved country. In Jesus' name we pray, Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
You may now be seated. Diyos marahay na hapon sa Indogabos.
Good afternoon, Robinson's Place, Naga. I'm Adal Alacar of the Department of Trade and Industry, Camarines, sir.
And I'm G-Man Salares, also from the Department of Trade and Industry, Camarines Sur. And welcome to
Feria de Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA.
Products crafted with culture and style.
Alright, so what a glamorous afternoon for all of us as we stage again another run of Feria de Camarines of the Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Sur Provincial Office, of course in partnership with the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and of course the Robinson's Place, Naga. But this time, G-Man, we will be featuring stylish and crafted wearable products of our MSMEs here in Camarines, sir.
Yes, that is correct, Madel. And in addition to that, this trade fair will also showcase new and improved products developed by our MSMEs from the wearable sector that underwent product development, including garments, apparels, bags, fashion accessories, costume jewelries, and footwears.
Wow, sounds exciting, Jiman. And of course, speaking of excitement, we will also be launching 27 new creations. Alright, so we will be launching 27 new creations and of course couture by our 4 homegrown designers using Hinabol, which is our produced by our weavers in Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Wow.
So we will be having a fashion show later after our opening program.
Yes, that is very exciting. And of course, we are live at DTI Camarines Sur Facebook page. So let's help our event to be shared online. So you may check your social media accounts and please share, visit DTI Camarines Sur Facebook page and click that share button.
Yes, very nice that we're live, G-Man, because kumbaga hindi lang dito limited sa Robinson's Place, Naga, yung ating event, but we are also showcasing our products and event to the world, right?
Yes, that is right, Madel. And of course, this afternoon, syempre hindi po natin papalampasin ang pagkakataon na ma-acknowledge ang ating mga distinguished guests.
Yes. Alright, so at this point, allow us to acknowledge our guests and partners for this event. Of course, let's start with the Regional Director of the DTI Regional Office 5. A round of applause, please, to RD Rodrigo M. Aguilar. Good afternoon, RD Diggs.
Yes, we also have the OIC Provincial Director of DTI Camarines Sur Provincial Office, OIC PDJ Percival Ablan.
Of course, we would also like to acknowledge the President of Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Miss Maria Emma Lurin, represented by Sir Simon D., the Vice President of the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, of course, with the very supportive members of the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Yes, good evening everyone. And also we would also like to acknowledge Honorable Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion, our City Mayor of Nagat, represented by Honorable Cecilia V. De Asis, our City Vice Mayor.
Good afternoon, BM. And of course, we would also like to acknowledge Honorable Vicenzo Renato Luigi R. Villaferte, represented by Honorable Jessia Aina Noble, Board Member of the 5th District of the Province of Camarines Sur. Good afternoon, ma'am.
And of course, we have Ma'am Cristina Francia Dakiwag, Robinson's Mall Manager. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of the Provincial Director of DOST Camarines Sur, PD Pat Felizmenyo, together with Miss Between Salevante. Good afternoon, ma'am.
We also have the Board of Director of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Joselito Ocol Jr.
Good afternoon, Sir June. Next, we have the President of the Bicol Producers and Manufacturers Association of Camarines Sur, and of course its members. A round of applause please to Mr. Seth Aguinaldo.
We would also like to acknowledge Dr. Danilo Madrid Herona, our Bicolano historian.
Yes, and of course later on we will be having a fashion show, so allow us to acknowledge the fashion show director, Miss Ping Federis.
Yes, very exciting event. And of course, we have Miss Sijlin Bulaog, I hope I'm correct, from Biggs Marketing, our Biggs Marketing Manager. Yan, hi ma'am.
And of course, we would also like to acknowledge Miss Bettina Bonavi Abias and Company, the first ever Miss Bicolanja, of course, of Bicol Region.
Yes.
And of course, the program director of the Feed the Hungry program. Thank you so much, ma'am, for supporting our event today.
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Gracia Layosa, the Assistant Regional Director of the Cooperative Development Authority.
Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the President of the Santa Club of Nagak and Camarines Sur, Miss Cara Imperial. Good afternoon, ma'am.
We also have the Partido Division Chair of Planning and Evaluation Monitoring Division, Ma'am Reche Queen. Good afternoon.
Alright, of course, we will not forget our media partners who are our partners in disseminating relevant information to the public. Allow us to acknowledge the presence of Miss Jam Madrid of PIA, Philippine Information Agency Camarines Sur, together with Miss Karen. I hope nandito sila. Nakita ko na sila. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, we also have Miss Marge Serico and Silver Camposo of Camsur TV.
Next, we have the station manager of Bicol Idol FM Naga, Sir Bong Villacruz.
And we also have Mr. Jovel Obisco of GMA Bicol through Miss Mary Dawn Jimenez.
Next, we have Mr. Ron Enon of OK FM Bicol. Good afternoon, Sir Ron.
And of course, our official live streaming partner for tonight, IMJ Interactive Multimedia Services. So ayun po, naka-flash sa ating projector ang ating current live sa Facebook.
Yes, and of course, G-Man, at this point, we would also like to reiterate and give emphasis to our major partners and sponsors. Of course, Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, headed by President Maria Emma F. Lurin.
Robinson's Naga, headed by Mall Manager Cristina Francia G. Dakiwag.
And of course, the provincial government of Camarines Sur, through Honorable Vicenzo Renato Luigi R. Villaferte, for our provincial governor, for the LED wall and sound system. Thank you very much for making this event possible.
Yes, and of course, we would like to give a shout out to our 20 dear exhibitors here at Feria de Camarines featuring Pustoriosa.
Yes, isa naman pong masigabong palakpakan as we begin our program for today. I think everyone is now ready. So at this point, allow us to request the presence of our OIC Provincial Director of the Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Sur Provincial Office. A round of applause please to PDJ Percival Esaplan for his welcome message.
Thank you, Sexy Madel and Sexy G-Man. Good afternoon po. Allow me to give respect first to a few people. First, our very own regional director who came all the way from Sorsogon. So thank you very much, RD, for coming over. Palakpakan pa po si RD. And of course, to Honorable Governor Luigi Villapuerte, represented by Honorable Jessa Noble, our very own board member in the 5th District of Camarines Sur. Of course, our Mayor Nelson Legacion, represented by Vice Mayor Cecilia D. Asis. The President of the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Emma Lurin, represented by the Vice President, Mr. Simon D. And of course, the rest of the officers and members of the Camarines Sur Chamber. Hello! Full force ulit. And congratulations. Of course, yung counterpart sa city, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, headed by its President, Dr. Mario Villanueva, represented by dalawa, Ms. Shig and Mr. Jun Ocol. Salamat po. We also have here the Assistant Regional Director of the Cooperative Development Authority, ARD Grace Layosa. Thank you po, ma'am, for coming over. And of course, the Provincial Director of DOST Camsur, PD Pat Felizmenyo. We also have with us the President of Zonta, Ms. Cara Imperial. And of course, yung ating first ever Miss Bicolandia, Miss Bettina Obias. Parang hindi Miss Bicolandia, parang recent lang. And of course, to the 20 exhibitors here in the province of Camsur, palakpakan po natin yung ating mga exhibitors. Media friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of DTI Camsur team, I would like to welcome each one of you in the 4th edition of Feria de Camarines. Today and until Sunday, we will feature Postoriosa. Postoriosa in Bicol means postorado or sperming nakaporma. Or pwede man sabihin na glamorosa or fashionista. Hence, what you will witness from this fair are products worn by human, by all of us, from head to foot. Hence, we have invited 20 exhibitors to promote and sell their wearable products, hats, bags, clothing line, footwear, and of course, fashion accessories. Later on, just after this program, we will have the fashion show to showcase wearable products made from indigenous materials and, of course, the ingenuity of our local artisans. I'm sure ladies will go crazy over these products. Pero don't worry, guys, men, meron din po para sa atin. Of course, this event would be made possible without the support of our valued partners. So let me give my gratitude to the Governor Luigi Villapuerte, Of course, to President Emma Llorin of the Kamsur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Miss Christine of Robinson's Place Naga, Sheridan Enterprise, Mr. Philip Sunaba, Events and Catering Services, and of course, to all of you for gracing this event. In closing, may I appeal from each and every one of you to support our local artisans, our local entrepreneurs, by purchasing products made from Kamsur. It's win-win if we go local. You are able to buy what you need and want. You are able to help entrepreneurs recover from pandemic and in turn help propel our local economy. In fact, at DTI, we call it bayanihan. Every time you buy local products, you become a hero of our local economy. So everyone, let's celebrate Kamsur product. Let's celebrate ingenuity of our local artisans. Let's buy local, go local. Good afternoon.
All right, so thank you very much, PDJ, for that very inspiring welcome message for the opening of Feria de Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA.
Yes, thank you very much, PDJ. And of course, we would also like to hear a message from our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Cecilia V. Diasis.
Good afternoon, everyone. Medyo halaba po ang listahan kang i-acknowledge. Baka masalaba pa sa sakuyang itataram. So I hope if you don't mind, dahil ko na po sasaro-saroon anyway, na-mention naman Gabos Kasubago, si Gabos na yaraon mo niya na hapon. Special mention ko na lang sa Satuya pong Regional Director, si Sir Rodrigo Aguilar. Sa kapareho ko pong gobyerno lokal, kang Camarines Sur, ang Satuya pong board member, Jessa Aina Noble. Glad to know you. Board member na nagre-represent po kay Governor Luigi Villapuerte. Pareho lang po kaming nautusan na mag-represent sa Samuya pong mga boss. Kaya miski po hali pa lang po kami sa Calamba, Laguna, wherein nag-sign po kami kang sisterhood agreement with the City of Calamba, ang bayan ng mga bayani. Wherein may mga nahiling man po kaming mga local products na itinauman, pero the best pa man po kiraray ang product ang Camarines Sur and Naga in particular. Rain has always been a symbol of abundance. Pag maurandaan, lalo na pagpakasalan, ang gustong sabihong kayan, masabaw ang birthday o dakol ang blessing sa maabot na taon. Mauran mo niya na aldaw, let us hope that the rain brings abundance and prosperity sa Tuya Gabos, lalo na po ang sa Tuya pong mga showcase pag Feria. Ikaduwa ko na po ining pag-attend, ulay ko nga ni duwa pa lang, ang sabi ni Jay, 4 na po palan. Oo, dahil kaya ako ang nagprepresent kay ito kay Mayor, kaya mayo ako. So, as Vice Mayor of Naga City, and in behalf of Mayor Nelson Ligacion, welcome to Naga and congratulations on launching the Feria de Camarines Postoriosa. Kaya garo ako ang pinadara ni Mayor, mas posteriosa ako sa iya. Dahil na mag-usip ha, baka. Pero totoo man daa, sabi ni Grace. Congratulations and sa DTI, and I'd like to commend for initiating projects like this, kay Jay, that stimulate local producers and entrepreneurs and encourage consumers to support and buy local products. Ang kauswagan po nindo, kauswagan man, bako lang kang Naga, kundi entire Camarines Sur. Nabalik pa lang po kami, sabi ko nga ni, hali sa Calamba, wherein ngunyan pa lang pong aldaw, kaya medyo makukulog pa ang hawak. Ang sa tuya po kayo, we should also Kaya together with the DTI, ang lokal na gobyerno po will even do more in ensuring that entrepreneurs and producers are provided with a supportive environment and enabling laws to allow them to be even bolder in the introduction of new ideas and products. We should also incentivize our local market to support local producers and entrepreneurs. Isa puso ta po, in line with Jay na sinabi, isa puso ta po ang slogan na made local, buy local. Liwat, congratulations po ulit sa DTI province, sa pamayo ni Jay, asin sa gabos na nagtuwang para mabilog ining Feria di Camarines sa ika-4 na pagkakataon, igwa pa po daang duwa. Sana day mag-attend si Mayor para ako giraray. Matutuon ko na kung sisay ang mga yaon. Lalo na po sa mga nag-participates, 20 na magagayon ang mga produkto at yan po, maikot na ako. Taan manindo akong discount ha. Magagayon po ang sa indong mga produkto, nasabi nga ni pang world class na talaga. Sana pati presyo, bakong pang world class, local lang. Ako po ang sulot ko ngunyan, bakong made in Bicol, Ilocos po ini, Habi Ilocos. And gibo kang sa kuya pong mga nakaibangan ng sa Angat Bayi na counselor kang Ilocos, tinaan niya po ako, as in nagpapasalamat ako, ngunyan igwana kitang mga product na makakapareho. Sana pag ako nag-attender sa mga national activity, products Bicol na ang sakong isusulot. Sana may magregalo man. So maray na hapon po sa Sendo, asin mabalos.
Alright, so once again, a round of applause please to our beloved and pustoriosang Vice Mayor of the City Government of Naga. Thank you so much, VM Nene, for that inspiring message of support for today's event.
Yes, very supportive ang ating local government.
Actually, VM, I like your blazer. Tamang-tama for today's event. Talagang very fashionable with a touch of culture, di ba?
Yes, and I'm looking forward din kung ano yung mga products na i-feature natin later on sa ating fashion show.
Yes, that's right. And of course, I think at this point, G-Man would also like to hear another message of support from the representative of Honorable Luigi Villaferte. A round of applause please to Honorable Jesha Aina Noble, board member of the 5th District of the Province of Camarines Sur. A round of applause please.
Good afternoon. Okay. To be honest, kinakabahan ako. Parang ako po at ang pinakabata dito. No offense to everyone else in this venue. First of all, I would like to, of course, greet the very special people behind this successful event. Successful na po because this is the 4th time na we are having this occasion. Syempre, we have our regional director all the way from Sorsogon. It's so nice to meet you, RD Rodrigo Aguilar. Welcome to Naga City. Welcome to Camarines Sur. Of course, sa atin pong OIC ng DTI Camarines Sur, sir. Nice to meet you, Sir J. Percival Ablan. To my fellow public servant, representing Mayor Nelson Legacion, yung napakaganda ni Vice Mayor Cecilia De Asis. Good afternoon, Vice. All other important people, isa-isahin ko na po because, kumbaga sa parte ko, this is really a pleasure and honor for me to meet everyone, every person na meron talagang iniiwang impact sa larangan po ng commerce and industry. So, it's so nice to be in the same venue with Mr. Simon D., the Vice President of Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Siyempre, andito rin po ang Assistant Regional Director ng Cooperative Development Authority, Ma'am Gracia Layosa. We also have our Provincial Director from DOST Camarines Sur, Sir Pat Felizmenio. Good afternoon, sir. We also have our president from Zonta Club of Naga and Kamsur, Ma'am Cara Imperial. Siyempre kung merong CSCCI, meron ding Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We have Ma'am Siege Borromeo. It's so awkward to say ma'am because I know his son. He's my batchmate. So can I call you Tita? Tita Siege Borromeo from Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, of course, with Sir June Ocol. So everyone in this venue, sa lahat po ng ating designers, marami po dito taga-Buhi. Just a fun fact, I hail from the municipality of Buhi, Camarines Sur. So I don't know if it was a factor why Governor Luigi chose me to represent him. Kasi andito po, in fact, kapamilya ko pa ang mga weavers natin from Buhi. So special mention ko lang syempre, ang dami pala, we have 14 weavers present. And we have the president, my tita, na from the weavers po ng Buhi, Camarines Sur. Sa lahat po ng nagpa-participate, and reason why we can see a lot of beautiful products around us, iba-ibang stalls. Congratulations, salamat, dahil hindi po kayo nagsasawang i-showcase ang talent ng Kamsur, ang talent ng Pinoy sa iba't iba pong parte ng mundo. Vice Mayor already mentioned ang importansya of being local. It means we always have a global mindset, but our actions are always rooted locally. So yan po ang challenge because ang honesty nga po, tayo, I guess, so for some people, it's a challenge for us to love our own. Kasi nadadala pa rin tayo ng mindset na paggaling sa ibang bansa, baka mas maganda, baka mas matibay, baka mas trending. Pero yung event po natin for this afternoon is just a testament na that's not true. Kung ano man ang meron ng ibang bansa or other products na kilala worldwide, meron din pala from Kamsur. So siguro, taptapan natin ang Camarines Sur, ang minamahal nating probinsya. Dahil we have a lot of products that siguro need more support para po mas makilala pa ng ibang bansa ang ating mga produkto. Not only other countries, but even outside of Kamsur, other parts of the Philippines. In fact, pag sinabi nga po nating Pampanga, di ba the first, sa mindset ng mama ko at least, punta tayo ng Pampanga, bumili tayo ng Christmas decor. Di ba ganon? So na-associate ang isang lugar sa kanilang produkto. So dito sa Kamsur, kung gusto pala natin ng mga abaka, or etc., ano pa mga inable products, dito pala sa Kamsur, meron tayong sarili. So we have to love our own. So hindi ko na po pahabain ang aking mensahe, but just to extend my appreciation on behalf of Governor Luigi Villaferte. This is the 4th time that he has been invited. Thank you for always inviting Gov Luigi. Gov Luigi is the same as my age. Pareho po kami, batang-bata pa. So our mindset is always talagang i-boost natin ang produkto ng Kamsur. Nakikita ko rin mga familiar faces. Ang dami palang taga-Rinconada na nagpa-participate. Even the fashion designer from my right side, i-mention ko lang, si Kuya Alex and Tita Romel Del Valle, all the way from Bao, Kamsur. I was very surprised talaga. Sabi ko, Gov, hindi ko alam yung event. Baka pwedeng bigyan mo muna ako ng konting panahon. But sabi niya, kaya mo yan, maraming taga-Rinconada dyan. So thank you very much. Congratulations sa lahat. Ang probinsya ng Camarines Sur po, makaaasa kayo, lagi pong nakasuporta sa lahat po ng programa ng DTI, ng CSCCI, and sa lahat po ng sektor, may programa po tayo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Honorable Jesha. Yan, for that reminder. Diba? Napakaganda ng mensahe ni Ma'am regarding our local products.
Yes, actually that's very insightful, Jiman. I really appreciate the message of support by Honorable Jesha Aina Noble because kumbaga na-sum up ko siya into one. Ito yung favorite hashtag natin sa
Yes.
DTI. Go local, buy local, but this time, go global, right?
Yes, tama yan.
Yes,
We are
because-
definitely going global.
Yes, yan naman talaga yung goal ng DTI is to create globally competitive micro, small, and medium enterprises. And it's really refreshing to see, no, that we have already young leaders attending this kind of event. So, para sa kinabukasan.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Honorable Jesha.
Thank you very much, Honorable Madam.
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba? Okay.
All right. So I think, J-Man, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence, of course, kanina meron na tayo mga na-acknowledge from our dear partners. And of course, at this point, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of the OIC Regional Desk Officer of the official financing arm of DTI. We have Miss Carla De Villa Florendo
Hello.
of
good evening,
SB Corporation. Thank you so much, Miss Carla. And of course, we also have here supporting from the Metro Nugget Chamber of Commerce and Industry, one of the board of directors. A round of applause, please, to Miss Azela F. Cruz. Hi, Miss Azela. And of course, nakikita ka din together with her as the owner of the Amala, Miss Florence Ranyola.
Hello,
Thank you
good
so
evening
much
po.
for coming.
Thank you very much. And of course, we would like to acknowledge our colleagues in DTI Camarines Sur, our head from the Business Development Division, OIC BDD Chief, Ma'am Rose de la Trinidad. Yan po, nasa likod, nakaping.
Yes, the hardworking team of Business Development Division of DTI Camsur, of course, with our account officer for the wearable sector and the tourism sector of DTI Camsur. A round of applause, please, to Ma'am Elsa S. Felix.
We also have the account officer for Homestyle and Bamboo, Ma'am Glenda Ragos.
And of course, one of the account officers for the processed food sector, and of course, our planning officer. We have Miss Ariane Suarez Encinas. A round of applause, please.
And of course, our Senior Trade Industry Development Specialist for CARP, Mr. Maki Bugagaw.
Yes, we also have our business counselor, trade industry development analyst, Mr. Arvin Dexter Maximo. Hello, hello. Together, nandito din po yung ating business counselor from Negosyo Center Balatan, helping us with the documentation today. We have Mr. Key Saragosa.
Hello, Key. And of course, we have our BDD clerk, Miss RR, and Miss Lara. Ayan. Siyempre, mayroon din tayong kasama.
Yes, i-shout out din namin since we're live on our official Facebook page, DTI Camarines Sur. A shout out to the OIC Division Chief of the Consumer Protection Division of DTI Camarines Sur. We have Miss Junie Mora together with the CPD team, and of course the Finance and Admin Division of DTI Camarines Sur with Miss Sandy as our Administrative Officer, and Miss Mayumi Antero, and of course Sheena, our assistant.
Okay, and we also have from our PPG account focal person, we have Jan and Aldrin.
Yes, and of course si Carlo din, our provincial driver. Namasan talaga, Carlo. And of course, at this point, nakikita na po namin, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of the mall manager of Robinson's Naga. A round of applause, please, to Miss Christina Dakiwag.
Yes, I know all are very excited. Everyone is very excited tonight. So, Madam,
Yes. So I think to give them, kumbaga the idea of what Feria de Camarines is all about. And now this is the fourth time around that we proudly present to you Feria de Camarines. Let's all watch this video.
Culture and amusement. What if these two elements are fused into business to stir up profitability and delight? The Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Sur, headed by OIC Provincial Director Mr. J. Percival Ablan, proudly presents Feria de Camarines, a showcase of local products crafted with passion of homegrown enterprises. Feria,
a showcase inspired by the Hispanic era in the history of trade and commerce on the Philippine archipelago.
Feria,
a traditional Spanish influence among the Filipino merchants, showcasing celebration and business interactions among the producers and consumers. Still wondering why Feria in Camarines? Here's the video from Dr. Danilo Heron.
To put in context first the concept of Feria, we have to go back a little bit to the European setting. The word Feria is Latin, which means in a way associated with holidays, because in medieval age, when products coming from the outskirts of the city are brought to the city and being sold to the larger population, it becomes in a way a festival. So it becomes sort of a holiday because they have to spend time to go to the city and spend also time in procuring the products in the city, and they go back to their own residences in the outskirts of the city. So it's in a way a holiday. It's a major event for them when products are made available to the public coming from the farmers in the outskirts of the city. But then it assumed a different meaning when the galleon trade commenced, starting in 1565 in the Philippines. We have to understand that the galleon trade is the first, you might say, international trade which connects Europe with Asia. And the galleon trade is essentially a commercial enterprise. Goods coming from Southeast Asia are brought to South America and then to Europe, and those goods also coming from Europe are brought to Mexico, and then from Mexico it goes all the way to the Philippines, and from the Philippines is distributed in other parts of Southeast Asia. But you have to understand the role of Bicol. All galleons pass through the Bicol region. When they enter the Philippines, it passes through the Bicol region. When it leaves the Philippines, it exits from the Bicol region. So the Bicol region plays a crucial role in this very, very important international trading activity, which we said as the galleon trade. And what happens to the galleon trade in connection with Feria? When the galleon arrives in the Philippines, it carries substantial amount of products from Europe, and also the so-called situado. Situado is subsidy coming from the Mexican government to the Philippines, because the Philippines, far from what we have been taught in our history, was a fiscal nightmare for Spain, meaning to say it is a losing venture. So it has to be supported by the more wealthier colonies in South America, such as Peru and Mexico. So it brings with it gold and silver coins to support the economy of the Philippines. But aside from this, the currency, it also brought goods coming from, as I said, from Europe and South America, and it's brought to Manila, and therefore the arrival of this becomes a major event. It becomes a holiday, the way it was celebrated in medieval Europe. And so products are sold in the market in Manila, and because of this, it becomes a sort of, as I said, a holiday for the coming of galleon. Not only that it sells product and people spend their time buying the products in Manila, but it's also an event to celebrate, because the coming of galleon augurs well for the colonial economy. It means it is a year-long of prosperity for the colonial government in the Philippines, because of the enormous supply of money coming from Mexico, and also the sales of goods that were taken from the Philippines to Mexico and to Europe. So they pay the products that had been taken from the Philippines a year after, when the galleon returns to the Philippines. So it's a year-long of prosperity, and therefore, not only that there were sales, markets being held, or feria being held, but there were also celebration. Anyway, a certain chronicler says it's a month-long partying in Manila. So it's a combination of trade and parties in some way. That the whole essence of the feria in the colonial Philippines. But if the galleon does not arrive, it's a year-long of misery. That's the reason why it's a welcome event for them when the galleon arrives and the Feria is celebrated. That's probably the reason why we associated Feria not necessarily as a commercial activity, but more of a celebration. And that's why we say Feria as associated with Ferris wheel, with all these as fiesta, carnivals in some way. So that's the whole essence of Feria in connection with the galleon trade. But what about in the Bicol region? Later on, the trading activities in Manila were also celebrated in other parts of the country, especially in major urban centers in the colonial Philippines. Among them would be Nueva Cáceres. Sometimes they refer to them as apparently to differentiate it from the major national event in Manila, which is the Feria de Gallones. They celebrated here as a saud or tiangge, meaning say a small-scale trading activity, because it's called tiangge because people coming from the tingge, which is supposedly a pre-Hispanic word for mountain, would come to the lowland and bring the products coming from the mountain. And sometimes they call it, as I said, saud, from where we now have the term saud, which refers to market. So it became a regular activities in Manila and also in the outskirts of Manila, in the Bicol region for that matter. And by the 19th century, Gainsa celebrated the event with all these expositions, so to speak, of the agricultural, you might say, exposition of the local products, which definitely was inspired by the Feria during the Galleon era.
Camarines Sur boasts of its vibrant culture, rich natural resources, and pool of skilled locals. This Feria de Camarines is a perfect venue for entrepreneurs to feature the products they created the Bicolano way.
As these promises a lively economic role, Feria was given birth, inspired by the Spanish tradition of a festive trade fair. The Spanish term feria means fair, but its roots are in the Latin word holiday. Feria is a fair where people sell goods while having fun. Through Feria de Camarines, consumers will get a great opportunity to experience and have a taste of its finest products in Camarines world. All these are reasons to celebrate.
Want to venture on an exciting journey with DTI Kamsur?
Join us. This is Feria de Camarines, a modern-day trade fair of globally competitive products, proudly made in Camarines Sur. Feria boasts its major highlights.
Delicioso.
A trade fair of food delights that appeal to the discriminating palate of every Bicolano.
Muebles.
It is a showcase of local furniture and furnishings crafted for every Bicolano home, ranging from a variety of local hardwoods to artistic bamboo pieces that bring together traditional and modern designs.
Postoriosa.
Bicolanos are creative and artistic. Postoriosa provides opportunity for local wearables industry to be known or mainstream in the market.
A lot more are in store for everyone in the Feria de Camarines.
The DTI Camarines Sur takes pride in staging Feria de Camarines, a trade fair that promotes and sells products made of local artisans, showcasing the best in every Bicolano community.
So what are you waiting for? Witness the history that unravels in the modern age.
Madyan na kamo ang duyugan ang sadiring produkto. Feria de Camarines, i orgulyo.
Alright, so once again, a round of applause please to the concept video of the Feria de Camarines.
Yes! O akala nyo magpa-fashion show na, no? At least very active kayo, di ba? Right now.
May dumaan lang, pero hindi pa po yun yung fashion show. So, alright, for the concept video, the Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Sur, Feria de Camarines AVP was produced by the Searchlight Artist Management and Productions.
We have the creative director, Direct Ninoy D. Reyes. who is with us tonight. Yeah.
Yes, and of course, the cameraman and post-production artist, Mr. Carlo Reyes Chavez.
We also have the prod manager, Mr. Mark Felix.
The senior production coordinator, Mr. Boots Terdilia.
Our voice talent, DJ Rika Veronica Liagas.
And of course, the Searchlight Productions, where passion speaks a heart for excellence.
And of course, thank you very much to everyone also. Pwede po yan mapanood ulit online. Yan.
Yes, and of course, with the efforts as well of the Business Development Division of DEI Camarines. A round of applause, please.
Okay.
Alright, so ang dami-dami na nangyari for our opening program, G-Man, but that's not, we have a lot in store for everyone this afternoon. So, ano lang kayo, stay tuned because we have, we get a fashion show later wherein we'll be showcasing the crafted, stylish, local products of our micro, small, medium enterprises here in the province of Camarines Sur.
Yes, and of course with that video as well, mas nagkaroon tayo ng idea what Feria de Camarines is. Through Dr. Herona, our Bicolano historian. So maraming salamat, Dr. Herona.
Yes, and of course with the participation as well of our OIC Provincial Director, PDJ Percival.
Yes. Thank you very
Na
much.
very fresh.
Yes. And of course, at this point, we would like to introduce to you our artistically inclined exhibitors for Feria de Camarines featuring Postoriosa.
Pustoriosa.
Yes.
Alright, so let's start with Tribo de Rasta Handicrafts Manufacturing. A round of applause, please.
We also have Noah's Bag Manufacturing,
Ma'am Offels Handicrafts,
M's Noora Handcrafted Products,
St. Dominic Women Handicraft Association,
Eisenhart Kawaii Handicrafts,
Buhay Noon Woven Products,
Hataw Handwoven Products,
Johanna's Fashion House,
Luthmer's Fancrafts,
Pamitisan Shoe Shop,
Care Undergarment Shop,
Business Resource Incubation Development Center by the Bicol State College of Applied Science and Technology,
we have Ed Gems Corporation,
Diseño by Kent Fabian Fashion Design,
Romel Del Valle House of Fashion,
together with Mr. Alex Buena. And of course, next we have HGQ Handicrafts,
we also have Ed's Beach Shop,
Red Cat Handcrafted Accessories,
and of course, last but not least, Yoji's Handicrafts Store. Yes, palakpakan po natin ang ating exhibitors. Later, you'll have the chance to check their product.
and shop, of course,
Yes.
diba? And of course, later on the fashion show, we'll be also acknowledging the designers
Yes,
of the
exciting.
fashionable creations or couture of our local artisans, of course. And at this point, we would like to present to you our programs and activities for our Feria de Camarines featuring Postoriosa. Of course,
Happening today, we have our opening program. And let's all watch the AVP. Happening today, our opening program here at the atrium of Robinson's Naga.
of course, as well, happening later today will be the fashion show directed by Miss Pink Federis.
Tomorrow, we will be having coaching on legal matters at DTI Camarines Sur Provincial Office at 2 p.m.
Yes, of course, in partnership with the Rotary Club of Naga and Camarines Sur. And next, we'll be having the PPG or the Pangkabuhayan sa Pagbangon at Ginhawa awarding of livelihood kits and seminar on online business at 2 p.m. on October 27, 2022 here at the atrium of Robinson Naga.
Yes, we also have the virtual live tour tomorrow at 5 p.m.
And of course, we'll be having acoustic night at Pustoriosa on October 27 to 29, 2022 at every 6 p.m.
Yes, that is right. And we also have digital marketing with ADNU or Ateneo de Naga University and PPG awarding of livelihood kits at 10 a.m. on October 28, 2022. And we also have the PPG awarding of livelihood kits for the wearable sector at 1 p.m. on the same day.
And of course, we'll be having a Eucharistic celebration at 11 a.m. on October 30, of course, that's Sunday, here at the atrium of Robinson's Naga.
And last but not least, our awarding ceremony and closing program on Sunday, October 30 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, so as mentioned earlier, we really have a lot in store for you. Hindi lang siya marketing activity, but there's more than the Feria de Camarines Trade Fair.
Yes, marami pa po kayong aabangan aside from the fashion show.
Yes, of course, and at this point, may we also hear a message, a keynote message from none other than the Regional Director of the Department of Trade and Industry, Regional Office 5. A round of applause, please, to RD Rodrigo M. Aguilar.
Hello. Thank you, Mabel and G-Man. Congratulations and good luck to the 20 exhibitors that we have. You are the reason why we are here, why we have this Feria de Camarines PUSTORIOSA edition. And you gave us the reason to think of the activities that will go with this Feria de Camarines Trade Fair. At this point, allow me to acknowledge some of our VIPs, some because I cannot name all of you. And I plan to acknowledge both the young leaders and the young ones, spelled ONCE. First, I'd like to start with Vice Mayor Cecilia De Asis, representing the Mayor of Naga City, Nelson S. Ligacion. Of course, the representative of the Provincial Governor, Luigi Villafuerte, in the person of Board Member Jessa Noble. We have here ARD Grace Layosa of CDA, DOST Provincial Director Pat Felesminio, our partners from the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Emma Lurin, represented by Simon D. Of course, our representatives from the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Our partner, the Robinson's Place. We have Christina Francia G. Dakiwag. And of course, our partner who will direct the fashion show, Miss Pink Federes. To the other, of course, I cannot forget our DTI Camarines Sur team, headed by PDJ. Congratulations, I think you are one of the models. I cannot do the same. To all the ladies and gentlemen present here, a pleasant good afternoon to everyone. This is very timely, this 4th edition, the conduct of this is very timely. Why? Because this comes right after several awards were bestowed to our partners. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate first Naga City for being the most competitive component city all over the country. This was given during the 10th CMCI awarding ceremonies at the PICC. And of course, the private sector would not allow to be left behind. So I also would like to congratulate the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, our active partner, for garnering the outstanding provincial chamber, national at that, and of course, as outstanding provincial chamber South Luzon. And I think the same congratulations goes to Metro Naga Chamber as the outstanding chamber for Southern Luzon City category. It's really an honor to be your partner. And I hope we give justice, DTI gives justice for having you as our partners. Anyway, only very recently we conducted the Orgullo Can Bicol, and at least 41 MSMEs from Camarines Sur participated in the Orgullo Can Bicol, which we conducted October 12 to 16 at Mega Mall. And I'd like to announce that Camsur garnered the second highest sales at 5.3 million. That only shows how beautiful and how delicious our products are coming from Camarines Sur. And these are the products or the output of the various activities that we have jointly undertaking. DTI cannot on its own claim honor for all of these activities. And also very recently, our Secretary of Trade and Industry visited our place. The first region to be visited by the Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry, Secretary Alfredo Pascual. And I'd like to share with you the plan of the Secretary for the next 6 years of his stay as Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry, which I consider as the marching order for all DTI offices, for all DTI employees. Number one, he would like to develop our MSMEs in terms of digitalization. Most of the things that are being done now is through new technology. We cannot do away with it. Previously, online selling was alien to most of us. But because of the pandemic, the use of this new technology was really enhanced. Napadali po because of the pandemic. And at this point, when we are into this already, we cannot do away with it. So therefore, what is required is let's improve on our digital capacity. And I think DTI has something to do with this. Let's work with our partners. Let's work with the DOST, with the DICT, and all other government agencies, and even private entities in developing the digital capability of our MSMEs. Next that he wants to do is to collaborate with the academe so that the requirements of the MSMEs shall be addressed using innovation and technology. We have already the Regional Inclusive Innovation Center, and the output of which is Bridge Bicol. I think we really have to do something about it, and I would like to congratulate the Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry for accepting the challenge to spearhead this project. And of course, through the support, financial support, and technical support of the Department of Science and Technology, together with other government agencies. With this, we really hope that our MSMEs will continue to develop and prosper in the future. Now, as I have been saying, at this point, let us think of doing things not only the traditional way. Let's think of things on how to do things, on how to do our activities. Now, I'd like to congratulate the organizers of this activity because instead of just exhibiting our products, we have come up with an activity which will enhance the marketability of our products. You can just imagine if you will only see the products exhibited in the booth. Now, what is important is you incorporated an activity which will showcase the application of these products that will somehow enhance the marketability of our local products. And I'm referring to the fashion show that will be conducted after this opening ceremony. Through this fashion show, somehow we'll be able to exhibit or to demonstrate to our public on the possible use of all the things that we have here, which without the fashion show, probably it will remain a simple product as we see it. So again, congratulations, and like to thank and congratulate Ping Federes for helping DTI and the other partners by directing this fashion show. Somehow, our public will be able to know how beautiful our products are if used in our probably day-to-day or on a special occasion basis. So with that, again, congratulations everyone. Congratulations to the local government units for always ready to support DTI, and to our partners from the private sector, and most importantly, the 20 exhibitors for again giving us the reason to convene here and conduct this Feria de Camarines PUSTORIOSA edition. Maray na banggi po sa gabos.
Thank you very much, RD Diggs.
All right, so thank you very much, RD Diggs, for always giving your full support to the programs of DTI Camarines, sir. And of course, for making it possible, kasi si RD is galing siyang Sorsogon, but despite of his very hectic schedule, talagang he made time to support the opening of the Feria de Camarines featuring Pustoriosa. So thank you very much, RD Diggs. And of course, we would also like to congratulate the DTI Region 5 for the successful event, the Bicol MSME Summit,
Yes.
wherein there are 300 MSMEs who joined the activity, of course, with the presence of our new DTI Secretary, Alfredo Pascual. So, thank you very much and congratulations.
Congratulations.
And of course, G-Man na-mention na ni RD, ang daming good news the past days. Would also like to reiterate and congratulate the following. Of course, the local government units here in Camarines Sur for making it to the top of the CMCI Awards of DTI to the Competitiveness Bureau. Of course, the city government of Naga for being the top one or rank one in the overall most competitive component
Palakpakan natin.
city all over the Philippines. So, top one po tayo. We also rank one in the Innovation Pillar Award, one of the kumbaga new awards in the CMCI, and of course rank 2 in resiliency, rank 2 as well in infrastructure, and rank 6 in economic dynamism. And of course, we'd also like to congratulate the local government or the city government of Iriga in
Wow.
Camarines Sur as well for being
A round of applause,
the
please.
rank 5, bagging the rank 5 in the innovation pillar, and of course rank 8 in the resiliency pillar, all over the Philippines to. So they're competing with more than 1,000 of local government units. So ang layo na ng narating natin.
Yes.
And of course,
Nakaka-proud, ano?
yes, nakaka-proud. And of course, congratulations as well to all the local government units here in Bicol region for bagging awards as well. So a round of applause, please. And of course, hindi natin din kakalimutan yung ating mga reliable partners. We would also like to congratulate the Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry for being the most outstanding chamber in the Philippines Award, province-based level 1 in the 48th Philippine Business Conference and Expo. So, a round of applause, please. And of course, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry as the most outstanding chamber in South Luzon Award, city-based level 1. So, congratulations to our partners.
Yes, thank you very much. And of course, as of this moment, as one of our partners in this event, we would like to invite the mall manager of Robinson's Naga, Ms. Christina Francia G. Dakiwag, to give her message of support.
A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. So before I start, I would like to, of course, acknowledge the presence of the regional director of DTI 5, Sir Rodrigo M. Aguilar. Good afternoon, sir. And of course, our most ever partner na DTI Kamsur, headed by the provincial director, Sir J. Ablan. Actually, itong provincial DTI natin is talagang masasabi kong partner natin because we have series of events na nangyari this year in partnership with DTI. And of course, again, I cannot mention all those VIPs na nandito ngayon. But syempre, we have the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and the Kamsur Chamber of Commerce. Good afternoon, everyone. So in behalf po of Robinson's Place Naga, I would like to express our thank and gratitude po na for this year, yung mga events ni DTI is really dito natin ginaganap sa Robinson's Naga. And we're really looking forward po na the Feria de Camarines, yung branding natin dito sa Kamsur is, sabi ko nga kay Sir Jay, kung kaya nilang dalhin sa Manila and to held it to other malls, why not, pwede naman nating dalhin yung Feria de Camarines sa Robinson's Mall sa Manila. So, we're looking forward to that, Sir Jay. Maraming activities and tie-up of partnership na pwede nating gawin, and I hope yung Feria de Camarines is hindi lang siya pang Bicol and sana makarating to sa Manila. Okay po. So with that po, maraming salamat and welcome po to Robinson's Place Naga. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much, Ma'am Teen. Yes, looking forward as well sa ating Feria de Camarines outside of our city and province.
Yeah, so thank you very much, Ma'am Tin. And at this point, we're very honored and privileged to have with us today. So allow me to acknowledge the presence of the reigning Miss Bicolandia 2022. A round of applause, please, to Miss Rima Adakuden. Please stand to be recognized, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes, for gracing our event tonight.
And of course, I think nandito rin si Miss Bicolandia 2022 first runner-up, Miss Mary Joy Darilay. So, thank you so much. And of course, we would like also to thank Miss Eloy Sabadong for connecting us with the Miss Bicolandia candidates. Thank you very much. And of course, let us now listen to the message from one of our partners from the Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry, to be represented by Mr. Simon D., the Executive Vice President of CSCCI, to give his message of support on behalf of President Emma Lorin. A round of applause, please.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. First, I will thank you and welcome National Territor Rodrigo Aquila, TTI National Territor, who from Susugun, para sa suportan lang natin yung event natin ito. And siyempre, mga special case natin. Una, thank you si Sir Provincial Director, si Sir Jet. Always support Kamsur Chamber. Thank you, Sir Jet. And mga VIPs natin, Vice Mayor Nenet Day Assist, Miss Jessa Ainalobet, Board Member Fit District, and Miss Gasha Layosa, Assistant National Director, GovDA, PT Pat Feria Binyot, Provincial Territor TOST, Kamsur, Kora Imperial President Sonta Club of Laga, Miss Decha Kinit, Patito Division Chair. And Seth Aquinino, President, BP Match. Of course, nanito si Banijet Robinson, Christina Takio. And siyempre, yun, may dinner Kamso Chamber members, always suportahan sa Kamso Chambers, mga active members. And nandito yung mga Metro Naga Chambers. Thank you. Mga ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. And welcome to the Feria Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA. As part of our effort to position Camarines as an innovative and creative hub for local artisans and their products, the Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Intact Street is working closely with the Department of Trade and Intact Street RO5, Robinson's Boats, and local government of Camarines to facilitate the development of our local intact streets. Today, we are here to support the artisans and craftsmen who empower themselves through entrepreneurship and promote a business culture that is built allow locally sourced materials and showcases Bicolano creativity and artistry. Feria Camarines PUSTORIOSA leverage the great stride that our local fashion intact street has made, and we must give credit to our talented home club designers and producers who are bringing new and esteemed concepts to the local fashion market. This week, we had the chance to see some of their latest creations and support this industry. The challenge is how best to leverage this opportunity into sustainable support for our local artists and ensure that they made their mark as realized to the challenge of their mainstream competition. For that, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to all our local exhibitors for their efforts in participating in this event. I have no doubt that you will continue to skate new heights in the years to come. I would also like to thank our event partners and organizers for making this event possible. Finally, the Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry would like to invite everyone to come, shop, and celebrate at the Feria Camarines PUSTORIOSA 2022. Thank you and Diyos mabalos po.
Thank you very much, Sir Simon. Yes, tama si Sir Simon. Let's celebrate tonight.
Yes, ang Feria de Camarines naman talaga is a celebration of featuring our local products.
Yes, I know you are all very excited, but of course, let's not omit this opportunity to once again thank our partners, sponsors, and suppliers.
Alright, so thank you very much, Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, headed by President Maria Emma F. Llorin.
Robinson's Naga, headed by Mall Manager Cristina Francia G. Dakiwa.
Provincial Government of Camarines through Honorable Vicenzo Renato Luigi Reyes Villaferte, our Provincial Governor for the LED wall and sound system.
Searchlight Artist Management and Production through Mr. Ninoy D. Reyes.
Dr. Danilo Madrid Herona, our Bicolano historian.
Con Grande Furniture.
Robinson's Department Store.
Caritas Cáceres Naga Incorporated.
Garden set up by Akdar Ornamental Platform.
Sunaba Catering Services and Event Styling by Mr. Philip Sunaba.
Lurcha Lights and Sound Services for the lights and sounds, later for the fashion show.
Waltz Catering.
IMJ Interactive Multimedia Services, our official live streaming partner.
And Anjena Trading.
Alright, so once again, thank you very much for supporting this year's opening of the Feria de Camarines featuring PUSTORIOSA. So we are inviting everyone to buy and of course support the local products of the wearable sector being assisted by the Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Provincial Office here at the Robinson's Place, Naga.
Yes, that is
And I
right.
think, Jiman, we are now down to the highlight of this event.
Yes, are you all excited for tonight? Yes, ako excited talaga ako. Kasi po kahit kami mismo, we have not seen the full, di ba?
Yes. So we are really excited and I think this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So, Jiman,
Welcome to Feria de Camarines featuring Posturiosa.
products crafted with culture and style fashion show. So once again, I'm Adele Alacar of DTI Camarines Sur,
And I'm G-Man Saleras, also from DTI Camarines Sur.
saying thank you and let's enjoy the show.
Hey, thank you very much and enjoy the show. Don't forget that we are live at our DTI Camarines Facebook page for our fashion show. So feel free to share our event for tonight.
And of course, we are grabbing this opportunity to invite everyone to please follow and like our official social media accounts at dti.camsur on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you very much.
yetu yetu liye mbinguni yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu liye jina lako weli tukuzwe. Baba yetu yetu liye mbinguni yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu liye jina lako weli tukuzwe. Utupe leo chakula chetu, tunachohitaji utusamehe makosa yetu, kumana setu na hawasamehe wale yotukasea, usituie katika majaribu, lakini utuokoe na yule mwovu milele. tu peli chocolate tu no joy jadi tu same makuta yetu hey kumana setona ko asemeho wale yotokase usutunuti katika majaribu lakini titokowe na yule
Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, Department of Trade and Industry brings you Postoriosa Wearables. In partnership with Robinson's Place Naga and Camarines Chamber of Commerce. We now give you Postoriosa Wearables.
και να που φεύγεις και κάνα όνειρα πως θα μένες μαζί μου. Πλάι σου πίστευα να αλλάξει η ζωή μου και να που φεύγεις και να που φεύγεις. Τρέχεις σαν σύννεφο στον άδειο ουρανό μου κι ύστερα να μείνεις είχα μείνει στο μυαλό μου και να που φεύγεις. Αγέρασή σου είναι ανώφελο για σένα να τα κρίσω. Αγέρασή σου τρέμουν τα χέρια μου και πώς να σε κρατήσω. Αγέρασή σου είναι ανώφελο για σένα να τα κρίσω. Αγέρασή σου τρέμουν τα χέρια μου και πώς να σε κρατήσω. Και να φεύγεις πάλι θα δέρνομαι στην άγρια μοναξιά μου. Άσκοπα πάλι θα γυρνώ στη γειτονιά μου και να φεύγεις. Μα να φεύγεις είναι η φιγούρα σου στον δρόμο σαν τη σκόνη και ένα πικρό γιατί τα μάτια μου βουρκώνει και να φεύγεις. Αγέρασή σου είναι ανώφελο για σένα να τα κρίσω. Αγέρασή σου τρέμουν τα χέρια μου και πώς να σε κρατήσω. Αγέρασή σου είναι ανώφελο για σένα να τα κρίσω. Αγέρασή σου τρέμουν τα χέρια μου και πώς να σε κρατήσω. Και να φεύγεις σβήνει η φιγούρα σου στον δρόμο σαν τη σκόνη και ένα πικρό γιατί τα μάτια μου βουρκώνει και να φεύγεις και να φεύγεις και να φεύγεις. said it was fair. Someday wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you give to, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you did to, why, oh why can't I?
At this juncture, we'll be taking a 5-minute break. So if you like to stretch your legs, go to the restroom, or check out all the booths we have right here at the atrium, now's the time. 5-minute break. Part 2 will start in a while. Thank you. Again, paalala po, 5-minute break. Ang part 2 ng PUSTORIOSA will start in 5 minutes. So check out the booth we have here at the atrium. Maglakad-lakad tayo, or if you like to go to the restroom, now is the time. Thank you.
Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kung nais umasenso, manap ng trabaho, o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya huwag magtipid sa iyong mga pangarap. Sige-sige sa pagsisikap. Asenso'y sigurado sa hinaharap. Manalig lang palagi sa sarili. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan, go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas, go, 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 kababayan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to the Bicol Producers and Manufacturers Association of Camarines Sur. Music and choreography, G. Fidelis. Directed by Miss P. Fidelis. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause to our fashion designers, Kurt Salvador, Ken Fabian, Alex Buena, Romel Del Valle. Once again, show your love to our fashion designers.
It's all love, you know. It's all love. From I and I to everyone.
And, of course, let's not forget our director, Miss P. Fidelis.
You know what I'm talking about? Come on. Be the love generation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Be the love generation. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
And our models, once again for Sam. There she is, Sam. Jill. Chanel, Arlie, Tan, Apple, Mardon, Marga, Paula, Audrey, Julian, Robbie, Jude, Shirey, and Tom. Our guest models, Melody D. Prieto, Mirabel Tan, and Annie Badon. And for our kids, our model kids, Yana, Zulu, Kiara, Nash, and Denise. We'd also like to thank our makeup artist, James Neil Esplana Nagales and Donita Israel. To Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry, DTI, and Robinson's Place Naga, Thank you and good evening. Our PVJ Ablan, of course, Sir.
You know what I'm talking about? Come on. Be the love generation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Be the love generation. Come on, come on, come on.
Thank you once again to Director Queen Fidelis for our fashion show tonight. Maraming salamat po. And of course, for our models. And don't forget, meron pa po tayong oras to shop and buy local products here at Feria de Camarines featuring Postoriosa.
Alright, so once again, the Department of Trade and Industry Camarines would like to thank our partners, sponsors, and suppliers. Starting off with Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry, headed by President Maria Emma F. Nurin.
Robinson's Naga, headed by Mall Manager Cristina Francia G. Dakiwa.
Provincial Government of Camarines Sur through Honorable Vicenzo Renato Luigi R. Villaferte, our Provincial Governor for the LED Wall and Sound System.
Searchlight, Artist Management and Production through Mr. Ninoy D. Reyes.
Dr. Danilo Madrid Herona, our Bicolano historian.
Next, we have Congrande Furniture.
Robinson's Department Store.
Caritas Cáceres Naga Incorporated.
Garden set up by Actar Ornamental Platforms.
Sunava Catering Service and Event Styling by Mr. Philip Sunava.
Lursha Lights and Sound Services for the lights and sound during the fashion show.
Waltz Catering.
IMJ Interactive Multimedia Services, our official live streaming partner.
And Anjena Trading.
Also, we would like to thank the presence of our guests for today. Alright, thank you so much to the reigning Miss Bicolanja 2022, Miss Rima Adakuden, and of course, Miss Mary Joy Dorilay, the first runner-up of Miss Bicolanja 2022. We'd also like to thank Miss Eloisa Badong, one of the executive committee of Miss Bicolanja 2022.
And of course, our friends from Camarines Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Diyos, salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Okay, may we request the presence of DTI and CSCCI for a group picture.
Alright, congratulations, DTI Camarines Sur, CAMSUR Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and of course, Robinson's Place, Naga.
Humanap ng trabaho o di kaya'y subukang magnegosyo. Lumikha ng produkto't sikaping lumago, inspirasyon mong pagkapiko. Katuwang ng gobyerno sa iyong tagumpay, iisa ang ating hangarin. Pag may abilidad at oportunidad, tiyak na ang lahat ay uunlad. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Walang iwanan. Go lang ng go mga kaibigan. Trabaho, negosyo, kabuhayan, kaya natin yan. Sulong Pilipinas! Go, 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 kababayan! Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kayaw magtipid sa iyong mga pangarap. Sige-sige sa pagsisikap. Asenso'y sigurado sa hinaharap. Manalig lang palagi sa sarili. Trabaho,